You see how bad the glare is on this one? And it's because the angle where my lights are in the angle. So I was able to adjust that and cure the the, the glare, which made it easier to read. The second thing I did was I learned from this guy, and I posted a picture of his YouTube channel of how to create folders that are basically the entire front row, top row. So this is the Excel version of the Stream Deck, and I love using it for a long time, but I ran out of buttons. And I saw a guy on YouTube, and I'll put a picture of his website, his handle up. So you can see where I got the idea. But the entire top buttons are now pages, just relabeled. There's a command go to page. So this is my main page. This is my programs I can launch. Keynote commands, which I've got a few more things to fill in there. This is my info page. Shows a clock. It shows stock options. It shows world clock in various places. Everybody, I've got a LA Mountain Time. I'm in Central, so I know what time that is. Eastern, the UK, Kenya, Hong Kong, Tokyo, and Sydney. And then stocks are listed here, and that's updated. And there's a green or red arrow whether it went up or down. Those are the stocks I mainly own. I own a few others, but those are our primary stocks. StreamYard for StreamYard control. Number 6 is still in expansion. It'll probably be used for an ATM control, but I'm still figuring all that out. Final Cut shortcuts, which I'm still got some work to do, and then websites I go to. So yeah, I got basically 192 speed buttons now. Yeah, it's 2 buttons sometimes, but it's still quicker than typing it in. So anyway, that's kind of what I spent most of the day redoing from my old one. You can drag and drop from one profile to another, but the pages take some tricks, and he explains what he did. I just changed it up slightly, so you can watch his video to see how the pages get worked. And that's how I did it, and I like it so far.